Today I'm going to be making a felt and pearl mistletoe decoration. The first thing you need to do is cut out 2 ovals of your felt, bigger than the pad of your thumb, but you can make the size any size you want. Next, you're going to use some gel super glue and glue your floral stem onto one of your leaves. Make sure you're using gel super glue and don't press too hard, otherwise the glue will go through the felt. This is why I'm not using regular super glue. Once that's dry, just 30 seconds or so, you can glue on the second oval. Just add some to the back and you're gonna wrap it around to the front, just on the very end of the back. And again, make sure you don't press too hard. Once it's dry, go ahead and press open the leaves. This is how mistletoe kind of grows, with the 2 leaves fanning out from each other. Next, I'm just going to put some more gel glue on the end of a different stem and pop on a bead. I got these faux pearls from a broken necklace. Now you have a lot of design options here. You can just do the leaves. You can do the leaves and add a pearl or 2 to one side or the other. You can do a whole cluster of pearls or just one individual. And you can do 1 or 2 at the end and then put the leaves a little further up. Up to you, whatever you like the look of. Next, you're just going to group them together. Make sure you like the look of it. And then you're going to use your wire clippers and trim off the ends. Once that's trimmed, use your rubber band and go around a couple times to secure. Then just fluff out and bend your stems, spread the leaves, make sure you've got everything looking the way you like. And I added a little glue to the ends because these are thread wrapped wires. I didn't want it fraying. So just a little extra step to make sure it stays year to year. And then hang it up. Your mistletoe decoration is ready for the holiday season.